Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. Uh, just please wait for 5 minutes. We will just start the class. Uh, Still then, if you have any doubt regarding the previous session or any concept from the third week which you learned, you can ask it right now.
Ma'am, I have a question. Like, I have qualified for the qualifier exam on like first and second week marks based on that. So, just wanted to ask if I have to submit the week 3 and week 4 assignment also, or is it optional? Hello.
Ma'am, can I
Uh,
ask something?
so I guess you don't have any problem with the concepts. So let's start with the problem solving session. As you know, this is the solve with us session, and here we will solve some problem based on the concept which you already learned throughout your week 3. So let's start. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think you guys are able to see in the screen. So this is the first question. You have 2 minutes to solve this. Write your answer on the chat box. Have time up to 8:11 p.m. Okay.
minus 50.
So yeah, let's start. We have two answers.
Minus
One is
52.
9 and one is minus 52. So let's solve.
Minus 52.
We
Minus
have the
52.
quadratic equation and it's saying that the sum of the root is plus 4 and the product of the root is minus 12. So we know that if we have two roots alpha beta, then we can write
Yeah.
this equation as the form x
This is
minus
called sum of
alpha
x plus
into y
product of
minus
rows.
beta equals to 0, right? So from here we can imply x squared minus
Sum of
alpha
roots
plus beta
and plus product of root.
x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So if we compare these two equations, then sum of the two roots is basically equals to minus b by a, which is equals to 4. And the product of the two roots is basically c by a, which is equals to minus 12.
Hmm.
Yes, the section is recorded. It's being live streaming also. So from this, we can see that we can break it as 4 into b minus a plus 3 into c by a. And just put the value from here. It will be 4 into minus 4 plus 3 into minus 12. You can calculate this and
Equal to
this
minus
will be
minus
equals to
minus
minus 52.
52.
So this is the answer. Fine.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please explain 1 second, please, ma'am?
So let's look at the next question. The slope of the parabola y equals to 3x squared minus 8x plus 5 at a point PQ is 4. Find the value of P. Again, take 1 minute to solve this and write your answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, what was the answer of the first question? It's minus 52, right? Am I audible?
What is the code for join in a lesson?
It's true. Am I audible? Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, hello, hello. One says to you. Hello, hello.
Yeah,
Hello,
ma'am.
hello.
Ma'am, two.
Hello, am I audible? One says to you.
I think.
So let's start.
Ma'am, answer
We
is two.
have the parabola. This we know the equation of slope is 2ax
2x
plus
x
b,
plus b.
right? At the point
Yeah,
x.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
our
Please mute
a is
yourself.
3, our b is -8.
8.
Just put the value and at the point P, that means we have 2 into 3p minus 8, that is equals to 4. That means 6p equals to 4 plus 8. That means p equals to 2.
2.
Easy, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's move on to the next question.
I have a doubt.
Write the answer on the chat box.
The question is from week 3 assignment. The practice assignment of week
Ma'am, you
3
are
of
not
math part.
taking doubts.
And the week 3 as practice assignment, question number 1.
I think ma'am is unable to listen our audio
Yeah.
because she is not responding to the doubts.
No, yeah, actually,
I
he's
think there is
asking
a
the question.
connection
It's no connection issue. So just to solve the problems. He's waiting for the students to solve the problem. Okay, that's the reason. You just solve the
Oh, all
problem
right.
and
All
then
right.
she'll
All
explain
right.
it.
I was
Okay.
not able to listen to your
Okay.
voices.
No.
Pardon, please, if you have any doubt, you can ask it right now.
Yeah, ma'am, the practice assignment of the week 3, question number 1.
So, if you have any doubt regarding this practice assignment or assignment set, we will clear it by the end of this class. Till now, if you have any doubt with this session, you can ask it right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So let's start solving this
Someone is
question.
asking Parabola code.
What? What code? Which code you want?
Ma'am, they thought that we have to go to the Parabola website and enter the
They,
No need.
they want Parabola code, ma'am.
No need. It's just a format. You don't need to go to peer deck.
No, in stats class they use the Parabola now.
Okay, this is for the stat class,
Might
but
be.
yeah. In this class, no need to go to peer deck.
Yeah, no problem, ma'am. No problem.
Yeah. So let's solve this question. P is a point and it has x coordinate and y coordinate. So we can assume P as P1, P2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have the equation of the parabola. We already know that P1 equals to 2 because
Yeah,
from the
ma'am.
last
X
question.
equal to 2, Y equal to 1.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this
P2
point
is
is on
what?
the yeah
What?
that is correct. So the reason behind it is basically the point lie on the parabola, right? So P2 equals to 3P1 square minus 8P1 plus 5. We can write it as like that.
Ma'am, we can find the 2x plus b equal to 4 like this. 6x minus 8 equal to 4, then 6x x equal to 2.
Can you repeat it?
We know the slope is 2ax plus b.
Yes.
Then 2ax plus b equal to 4. Then
Yes.
if I put the a value in there, then 6x minus 8 equal to 4. Then x equal to 2. If then I can put the x value in the formula. Then we can
Yes.
get the y. That is
Yes.
2 and 1.
Yes. 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 You're right. So I think this problem is clear to you.
Yeah.
So let's move
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am,
Yes.
repeat, ma'am.
Which portion? You have doubt?
Question number 2, ma'am.
Okay. So for the value of P1, we have given that the slope of the parabola at the point P is 4. So if we have the parabola ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then we know that the equation of the slope is 2ax plus b at the point x. Okay. So if we compare this to equation, from this we have a equals to 3 and b equals to minus 8. Here we are given that the value of the slope at the point P is 4. That means 2AP plus B equals to 4. Right? Here P equals to P1, so it will be P1. Because we are taking the X. X-axis is P1 and Y-axis is
The
P2.
value of x.
Yes.
Ma'am, can't we just solve it in such a way that as we have solved it in the previous case and we get the value of x as 2, so can't we just put the value of x over here and put
Yeah,
it
we are doing the
equal to
same
4?
thing. We are doing the same thing. But see, here P is a tuple, right? P is a tuple, which is P1, P2. This is a two coordinate system, okay, two pair tuple. So the thing is, here we are putting the value of x coordinate, and the x coordinate is P1 and y coordinate is P2.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah, this is basically same as the previous one.
Yes.
So is it clear now?
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. It's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's move to the next question. Yeah. So yeah, this is the next question. Take 3 minutes. At 8:25, we will start discussion about this question.
All thrown from the top of the building. Height of the ball from the ground.
Can you be little louder? Someone is asking something. I can't hear you. I will share the notes if you want. The notes, I will share the notes after this session.
Yes, ma'am. Please share. It will be very helpful.
Okay. Okay, we will share.
Ma'am, where can we get the notes, ma'am?
What?
From where we can get the notes, ma'am? After you send.
They will be sharing the chat box and from there we have to download them.
Yeah, I will just ask someone how to do that. Then I will like tell you about it. So you will get the PDF. Don't worry about it.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Please one by one. Yeah.
Ma'am, I am having doubt in activity questions 3.2, non-graded one.
Okay. So you can ask it by the end of this session. Okay.
Ma'am, till what time?
Let me finish. We have 5 problems basically. Let me finish those problems. Then you can ask your doubt.
Ma'am, option A and D. Ma'am, option A and D.
Okay.
Yeah, option A and D.
Let's see. Okay.
Option
Please
A and
write
D.
your answer on the chat box. Okay. Please write your answer on the chat box.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, for this thing, can you just mute everyone for this time and then later unmute them? Because or else everyone will say the answer in
Yeah,
the
it will be better. Unmute them after 8:25. Otherwise, they will disturb.
Yeah.
Okay, 25.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute all the students till 8:25.
Ma'am, first we have to do middle term factor.
We will see the solution. Till now, please. So let's start the solution.
Ma'am, continue.
Yeah. Let's start the solution. So we have that a ball is thrown off from the top of building. The height of the ball from the ground after t second is given by this curve. So we can draw the curve, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose this is a building and this is the top point of the building. So from this point, we have thrown a ball. The motion will be something like that. And it's given that the equation is given by this minus 2t square plus 4t plus 60. So if we extend this part, you can clearly look that it is a parabola. Now, and which equation is given by this. So this is our time axis t, and this is h of t. This picture is clear to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's look at the first option. The ball reaches its maximum height after 1 second. So we know that for this kind of parabola, the maximum is the vertex. So we have the parabola y equals to someone is unmuted. Please, can you please mute yourself? can take -2 as common, and then we can balance this equation in this way, right? Please mute yourself. In this way, we can write it as, right? So this is actually,
What have you done, ma'am? T equal to 1.
yeah, not t equals to 1. This equation, we can balance it in that way. If you just break the bracket, you can see that this -2 and +2 will be cancelled out, and it will be again the same.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt, ma'am. Like you can differentiate and equal to 0, then we can find maximum.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That
we
also
can
we
find it,
do.
but as
Yeah.
there are some
40 plus 4
normal
equal to
background students, that's why we aren't using that. In the previous class, it was also discussed.
Yes. So we're basically here doing the concept from parabola. So the maximum point will be a vertex. So that's why we're doing we are calculating the vertex. So this will be the vertex, right?
Okay.
118. It
Ma'am,
will be the
please
vertex.
explain again, ma'am.
Ma'am, -b/2a is also vertex. So you can derive like this also.
From this equation, this is our A, this is our B. So -b/2a,
Yes.
if you calculate, it will be
1.
but yeah, it will be equals to this. So just put the value and you will get the value of y here. So this is our vertex. We can draw this. This is our 1. So when the time is 1, the length of the path of the ball is this. So which is 18, right? This length is 18, right? Is it
Yes.
clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The maximum height.
Yeah, and this is the maximum height. So let's look at the first option, that the ball reaches its maximum height after 1 second. So is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And let's look at the fourth option. The maximum
D
height
is
is 14 feet. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So option A and option D, we have already done. Now, the second option is the height of the building is 16 feet. So this is our building, right? This is our building. And this is the highest point, right?
Yes.
So we have to basically find this distance. If we can find the coordinate of this point, is it enough to find this distance?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this point, we can see that the x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate some p, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in this equation, if we put h of 0, then we can find it as 16. So we can say that t equals to 16, right?
Yes.
So this height is basically 16. So the height is 16.
Ma'am,
So
please
the
explain once
option,
again.
okay. This is our building, right? And this is the highest point. Here we need to find the length of the building. So isn't it enough to find the coordinate of this point?
Yes.
Okay. So this point is for this point, we have the coordinate of the t-axis, like first coordinate is 0. And second coordinate is p, we are assuming. So we will find the value of p, right?
First coordinate is 0.
Yeah. First coordinate is 0 and second coordinate is t. So we will find the value of p.
Okay.
So yeah, you can see that this point is on the parabola, right? So definitely it will satisfy the equation of the parabola.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we just put the value of the put the point on this parabola, then we can find that p equals to minus 2 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 16.
No, but t is equal to time, right?
Yeah.
But how we can write 0 in place of time?
Because instead of x-axis, we are just giving a name as time. We are just using our x-axis as the parameter of time. Okay.
Yes, yes. Equation is the same.
Yeah, equation is same. Just instead of x, we are taking t. Nothing more than that. So from this, we can find the value of t is 16. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah.
Yes,
So the
ma'am.
height will be 16. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you solved the equation when you took the minus a by 2a. Can you please repeat that one again? So when you solve this equation by taking either determinant or derivative, so you got 2 minus 2 whole into t minus 1 whole square plus 18. So after that minus b by 2 also you put. So I got confused there.
After that, can you repeat it?
Yeah, when
Minus
was
40 plus 4
yeah.
equal to 2.
Yeah, so when you solve this equation, minus 2t square plus 4t plus 16, and you brought that into minus 2 whole into t minus 1 whole square plus 18. After that, what did it mean? From that part we got, and then you put minus 32 again.
I can see you. I can hear you properly. Can you write your doubt in the chat box?
Ma'am, actually, when you derivative this, then we got the minus 2t square plus 40 plus 16. If we derivation this part, then we got minus 40 plus 4 equal to 0. That is why t equal to 1.
Yes. Derivative equals to 0 means this equation will be 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Then t is equal to minus 1, right?
No, t equal to 1.
T equals to plus 1.
T equals to 1 only.
T equals
1,
to 1.
ma'am. 1.
So from here, we are also finding the value of first coordinate is 1.
Okay.
So it's the same.
And after that, ma'am, what you did after getting this t is equal to 1,
Okay.
we got
So
the first
now
coordinate.
we have t equals to 1. So we have our first coordinate, right? So
Yeah.
for getting the second coordinate, we are putting the value of t in this equation.
Okay.
Then
yes.
From this,
Then
we
we
can find
got
the value of the second coordinate because this point is on the curve, so it will satisfy the curve. Okay.
okay, ma'am. So what this coordinate I got 1 and 18, and after that, ma'am, no, you did minus b by 2a, ma'am. What is the
Option C.
ma'am, after getting this 1 and 18, this coordinate, what is
So
the next step?
this is our vertex, right? So
Yeah.
we get our vertex as 1 and 18. So
Oh, yes, ma'am.
We know that this is the highest point of the parabola. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That means when the time is 1, the height is basically 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is our first coordinate 1 and this is our second coordinate which is 18.
Okay.
So from this we can use two options like when the time is 1 we are getting the highest length and the second is the maximum length, the maximum height is basically 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Here?
Yeah. Ma'am, then you also took the minus b by 2a. What is for that? Like what you did, which option you solved by using that option?
Okay,
Minus
this
b by 2.
minus b by 2a is also with this with this formula we can also find the value of t.
Okay.
There are
Okay.
various way you can find the value of t. This is one way, this is one way, and this is one way. Okay.
Okay. Okay. And then, ma'am, you put also t is equal to 0 in the same equation to get the value of 16, right?
Yes, yes. Because we
And
have the point as 0p, because here t equals to 0. This is our origin. So here the first coordinate will be 0, and the second coordinate we don't know, but we want to find it. But the point is on the parabola, so it will satisfy the equation. We're just putting it and finding the value of p. Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Option
Option
C is
C
correct
is
or
also
incorrect?
correct, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So let's come to the option C. The ball travels in the air for 4 seconds before it reaches the ground. So when it is in the ground, that means it is in that point, right? So again, we can apply the same method in that point. The y coordinate will be 0, like the ht coordinate will be 0. So it will be again some q, comma 0. Is it clear? So
Yes.
again, we can So again, we can put this. This is also on the parabola. So we can put this on this curve. So it will be 0 equals to minus 2q square plus 4q plus 16. Okay. Just solve this. Solving this, we can simplify this like q square minus 2q minus 16 equals to 0. And solving this, you can find the value. One of the value will be 4. Okay. So the option C is also correct. Have you any doubt?
No.
None.
So let's move on the next question. Yeah. This is the next question. You have 1 minute to give the answer. At 8:42, just write your answer on the chat box. Don't create any mess unmuting yourself, okay? Just write the answer on the chat box.
This chart the text is disturbing, ma'am. How to remove it? Chart
What?
text appears in the middle of the screen now. Mobile phone.
Okay, you just swipe
Mute
down
the
it.
notification.
Just
Mute
swipe
the
down.
notification or chat.
How to disable that? Whenever a chart is sent, text is sent.
Just swipe down it.
Open chat and it will show 3 dots. You can click and mute the chat.
Thank you.
So I think we can start the solution. We have two equations. Y equals to x squared by 2, the parabola, and 4y minus x. So we have to find the point of intersection of the given parabola and the straight line. So we can take the point T1, T2 as the point of intersection. So we need to find the value of this point. Okay. So if it is the point of intersection, then definitely this will satisfy both the equation. So from here, we can say that T2 equals to T1 square by 2 and 4T2 minus T1 equals to 3. From here, we can find the value of T2, which will be T1 plus 3 by 4. And just equate these two value. Here we have two different expression for T2s. If we just equate these two by 2 equals to
Step repeat again. T2.
can you repeat it?
Ma'am, repeat again. T2 is equal to.
Yeah. So we are assuming that this is our point of intersection. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That means this point is both on the curve. So it will satisfy both the curve, right? Our y is T2 and x-axis is T1. We are just putting the point on the curve and then we can find these two equations, right? Clear? Yeah. So from this, we can find the value of T2. Now T2 and T1, it is a fixed value. It is a fixed point. So we can equate this two point, okay? So this is also equals to T2. This is also equals to T2. So from these two equation, we can find this relation. Okay. From this, sorry. We have the equation. Up to this is correct, right? We can solve the equation and we can find the value of T1. So from here, we can solve the value of T1. It will be 1 plus minus over from solving this equation, we got the value of T1. It will be either 3 by 2 or minus 1. Okay? Now, yeah, yes. Yeah. So we got the value of T1 as 3 by 2 and minus 1. Now we can take any of this relation. I am taking this relation T2 equals to T1 square by 2. Just put the value here and we will get T2 equals to 3 by 2 whole square by 2, which is 9 by 8. And if we put the value when T1 equals to minus 1, then T2 will be equals to minus 1 square by 2, which is half. So we now have our 2 points. One is 3 by 2, 9 by 8. Another is minus 1, half.
Ma'am, can I ask something?
Yeah, sure.
So basically, ma'am, the parabola and the straight line is intercepting each other, right? So in
Yes.
this scenario, the x and y will be the same. So by any chance, if we get the value of x in each of the any of the equation that we have, like parabola and the straight line, if we get the y axis y, and we need to put the y in the equation one, so that we can get the value of y. After getting the value of y, so that we can put the value of y in equation two, so that we can get x and y both together.
Yeah. Also, yeah, we can also do that one.
Ma'am, we have four options now, ma'am. It says that both the equations satisfies any of these options. Just substitute in both of the equations and
Yeah,
It will give the
we can
answers, no,
also
ma'am.
do it. Yeah. We can also do it. But this is not the process, right? We can verify the option in that way. But the process you have to learn. What is it?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So I think you don't have any doubt with this. So we can move with the next problem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
Ma'am, the
C
answer
means
is
the
C
right
and D.
answer, ma'am.
Yeah. These 2 points, sir. Like these 2 points. That means C and D.
Okay, ma'am.
There are some detailed solution also. If you want, you can access them. So we have we now reached this to our last problem. Just take 1 minute to solve this and put your answer on the chat box. Please mute yourself. Don't create any mess. Please mute yourself. Please don't
Ma'am,
stop
why don't
doing
you
this on
force
the chat
everyone?
box.
Force mute everyone.
I think I don't have the access to do that. That's why I can't do that. Please don't do this.
Yeah, ma'am. The host and the host have the access to do that.
Let me check.
Ma'am, solve this call.
After the PP, after
Yeah.
the class, where can we get this PPT?
What? Can you repeat it? Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. So
Ma'am,
let's
after
solve
the
this
class,
question.
where can we get this PPT?
One by one, please. So let's solve this question. Sum of the square of 2 consecutive even natural number is this. So you can assume 2 natural number. Suppose n. This is one even natural number. And the consecutive one will be n plus 2. Okay. Because we are taking only the even number. So it will be n plus 2. So we have given that the sum of square of 2 consecutive even natural number is 340. That means n square plus n plus
12
2.
square and 14 square.
What?
168 will be the answer.
Yeah. Just see. Let's see. So we can simplify this equation as x square
Okay.
n square plus n square plus 4 equals to 340, right?
N square plus 4n plus 4.
Yeah. Sorry, 4n.
Ma'am, where is from n squared plus n plus 2 whole square? This one.
You're not audible. Please, can you be little louder?
ये कैसे हुआ n squared plus n plus 2 का whole square? समझ में नहीं आया.
Okay. So this is our first even natural number and this is our second even natural number. This is sum n1. So we're taking the sum of the squares of two consecutive natural numbers, even natural numbers. So this is one and this is one. We're taking the square and we're taking the sum.
Ma'am, why
That is
taking
why,
square,
right?
ma'am?
Because this is what we have given in the question, right? Sum of the squares of. So if we simplify this equation, we can get that it will be n squared plus
36.
what?
Is equal to 170.
170.
Oh, Shakti.
N square plus 2n minus 168.
Minus 168.
164.
Okay.
Minus one.
Let's do that.
168, ma'am.
Let's do step by step.
Get to choose two. Reverse that.
Ma'am, that will be 168, I feel.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I will also solve with Newton's formula. Is
This is correct, right?
yeah, ma'am.
We're just taking common
it's
2
correct.
and we're just dividing. Yeah. So this is the
Madam,
product of these
madam,
two
madam,
natural.
madam.
Yeah.
Can you explain once again?
Yeah. So what is in the question? The sum of square of two consecutive even natural number is this. So we are taking these two as our natural numbers, even natural numbers. First one is n and second one is n2. So we have to find the product of these two. That means we have to find the value of n into n plus 2, right? We are given that if we take the square of these two number and then we just sum these two number, then it will be the number 340. So we are just doing that. Then we simplify this equation and finally we get this equation. From this and then get this equation. And from this, we can get the value of the product of these two natural numbers. It is okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. The numbers are 12 and 14.
Yeah, yeah. So how did you find that?
Factorized
Roots of the
it.
equation, right?
I took the quadratic formula.
Okay, yeah. Roots of the equation. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask it.
Ma'am, how to found that number?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, the number is just root of the equation. Because the number here we got an equation with n, right? And our first natural number is n. So if we find the value of n from here,
What's the answer?
the answer is 168. The product of these two natural numbers.
N number is 168, no, madam.
One by one, please. One by one.
ST క్వశ్చన్స్ రాయడం అయిపోయింది వెళ్ళిపోయాడు మోస్ట్లీ ఒక హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్
मैंने इसको न्यूटन्स फॉर्मूला करके इसका पूरा दो रूट्स निकाल दिया वो नहीं पता देगा
Okay, you can find the root. If you want to find those two natural numbers, please mute yourself. Don't create any mess here, please.
45 minutes లో ఉన్నారు
Ma'am, please mute all of you.
yes ma'am please ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు నువ్వు
Supriya,
Madam, you
please
get
mute
mute,
yourself.
madam.
Mute yourself. Why I am not
Supriya.
getting the access? Please mute yourself.
Supriya, please mute yourself.
Okay, so what was your doubt? You can ask it.
Madam, n value is 168, no?
Yeah, the product is 168. So if you want to find the number, you can just solve this equation and you can just find the root. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Hello,
Can
ma'am.
you zoom out a little bit?
Madam, what we have to get, what answer we get, madam, if you solve?
What?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, like when it says even natural numbers, so like as you take, you have taken n and then n plus 2. So is it that if I take, let us say 2k and 2k plus 2, for example, ensuring that the k is any number, it could be even
Yeah.
or odd, if we can adding 2 into that, so that I am ensuring that 2k is an even number. So in
Stopping this.
case you take
I
n,
thought of stopping this time and continue in YouTube tomorrow. Okay?
hello ma'am, hello ma'am,
Yes, yes, yes.
ma'am, then
do it on that way.
ఈ వీడియో లో పెడతారు ఇప్పుడు వీళ్ళు అనవసరమైన క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగి డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు అంటే దీనికి సంబంధించిన క్వాలిఫైర్ ఎగ్జామ్ గురించి కూడా ఇక్కడే అడుగుతున్నారు
Ma'am, could you please remove Supriya from the meeting, please?
Mute yourself. Can you
Could you,
please mute?
I think it's high time to remove her from the position.
Can you please mute yourself?
Ma'am, find someone is making chow here.
Just
hello ma'am,
let me check. Just let me check.
వీళ్ళు మాట్లాడండి can you give
Supriya, please mute yourself.
you shouldn't copy
Hey,
add your
hello ma'am,
What is it? Yeah.
hello ma'am, ma'am, hello ma'am,
Yeah. Yes, yes.
yeah ma'am, like if you take 2k, like to ensure that first it is an even number, then if it is, you are taking n and n plus 2 instead of 2k and 2k plus 2, so will it give any different answer or will it give us the same answer?
No, no, no. It will be same. Here we
Yeah, muted, ma'am.
Ma'am, kindly unmute. Ma'am, you're on mute. Ma'am, you're on mute.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Hold on. I think they are actually switching up. They are making it. Hold
yeah.
on.
Am I audible right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So it will work like same. So here we are taking n as even natural number. If you take n as like the number as 2k, where k is any natural number, this is also fine. There is also no problem. The answer will be same, obviously.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So,
Ma'am, but which one would be better for solving the answer? Will it be 2k and 2k plus 2 or just taking k as an even number and then solving it?
see, if you want to like solve the equation and if you want to find the root, then it will be good if you assume the number is n, because it will be otherwise you have to simplify the equation after some stages. Okay. Ultimately those two things are same, but you can see here they have took this number as 2k and 2k plus 1, and you will get an equation and you just have to simplify this and find the root. So
but madam, in that case n could be odd also, because you have to take 2k considering that even number.
Here we have to make some observation. Since we are taking n as even number from this
But then
quadratic
you are
equation,
taking n as a even number, but n
yes,
could be odd also. But when you take a 2k, then
yes,
it would be definitely a even number.
yes. But see, since we're assuming that n is an even number, if we find the root of this equation, we can get
You can
some
get a wrong
values of
answer.
n, then
You
we
can
will
get a
take the
wrong
even one. Okay, we will take the even one. If we
then you have to
suppose if
take
we
even.
got some odd number also along with some even number, so we will take the even one, because by assumption n is a even number.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
And when we solve this equation, we get root as 14 and minus 12.
Yes. So n equals to 14 and minus 12. Yeah. So we know natural number is
Then natural number is only going to
negative
be
number
14,
is
right?
not in the natural number set. So we get the value as n as 14.
Then second natural number will be 16, I think.
So no. I think you have made some mistake. It will be minus 14 plus 12. You can check it.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I was also confused as it said minus 2.
Yeah. It will be minus 14 plus 12, and then those two number will be 12 and 14.
मैम क्या बोले फिर से बोल दीजिए ना.
If you solve this equation, you will get minus 14 and 12 as the root.
Ma'am, can you please solve this equation just for me?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, can you disable chat?
Yes. Just wait. So, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the solution
Yeah,
on the
ma'am, it's
equation.
true. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which is minus 14 or 12. So you
Minus 1
get
plus
the value of n as 12 and then n plus 2 will be 14. So these are the two even natural numbers. So both the types are correct. You can do any of the methods.
मैम यहाँ तो हम भी पहुंच गए थे लास्ट वाला बस तो बाकी है
What? Can you repeat it?
मैम यहाँ तक तो हम ही पहुंच गए फॉर्मूला करके यहाँ तक पहुंच गए थे हम भी फिर यहाँ पे जाकर अटक गए थे कि आगे क्या करें
Okay. So you got the two natural numbers and you have to find the product. So just product 12 into 14. It will be
140 120 plus 24 144 मैम
160.
168.
सॉरी मैम सॉरी अरे यार जल्दी भूल कर दिए क्या मैम
Yeah. So now if you have any doubt, you can ask it. It may be regarding this session or maybe any assignment set.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in practice.
Madam, I have a doubt, madam.
Yeah, just one by one. Yeah.
Ma'am, in practice assignment, question number 4, I have a doubt on it. Like in a previous meeting, they have solved the question. By the way, when I'm going to solve it again, but I'm not able to do it. So,
Can you share the question in the chat box?
it will take some
Just
time.
take a
I'm
screenshot
really
and
sorry
share
for
it
that.
on the chat box.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Ma'am, before taking the questions, can you please
What? Yeah.
Madam, if we have not submit assignment, any problem for exam?
I'm not sure about it. I have to ask someone else about that. I think Arpit is there. You can say if there any problem.
Ma'am, one question doubt. 3.7 cup first question.
Okay.
Activity question.
You can put the question on the chat box. Then only I can see and I can help you solving this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am,
a
I
doubt.
have just shared the
Ma'am,
question.
can you please share this PDF?
Yeah, I will share this with you. You will get this PDF. Don't worry about this.
Mama, I have a doubt and posted a photo
Ma'am,
in
we
the
just
chat.
had 4-5 questions and they solve with us.
Yeah. We solved just 5 questions. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you please
Ma'am,
check the chat box? Chat box I
Yeah.
have posted it.
Ma'am, where can we get this PDF?
Right now, I'm not sure about it. Probably I can post it on the chat box. Otherwise, you will get it. Let me just ask someone about it. Okay.
So,
Let us look at the question.
Ma'am, last time Arpit had posted the PDF of this in the
Yes,
chat.
so I am audible.
Yeah, you are audible.
Am I audible? Yeah. So what we can do, we can share this PDF into the chat box. You can download from there itself. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, then
Okay,
we
okay,
will
sir.
share the PDF on the chat
Am I
box.
right?
We get that.
सर पिन कर दीजिएगा
Yeah, and also share this PDF to your friends as well, so that if someone not joined in the session, they can easily get access for that PDF as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yep, sure.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay.
Can you sir
All
repeat
right.
that what you are saying? Pardon?
So I am saying we will share the PDF to the chat box. You can directly download it from there itself. Okay. So if someone is and also share that PDF into your respective group, so that if someone is not there inside the class, they will easily get to the PDF. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir, send
Sir,
it.
all right. Okay, sir.
Sir, I just wanted to ask, is there any official group that student can join?
No, there is no such official group. But yeah, there are some students who made such kind of groups so that you guys can discuss the questions and all. There
You
are
can
some
join any of
groups. Yeah. So
I
please
have a doubt. Sir, so solve
yes,
with this questions, everything over, does sir?
yes. It's over.
Okay,
Over,
sir,
right?
thank you.
Right, Samriddha?
So,
It's
can
over,
I,
na?
It's over, yeah.
Yeah, it's
so
over.
can I quit the class, sir? Or is it
Sir,
necessary?
Yeah, you can.
Any
shared a
important?
question.
Yeah, you can leave.
Yeah,
If you have any
yeah,
doubt, then you can stay here. Otherwise, you can leave.
yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am,
So we can leave.
please solve
Yeah,
Ma'am,
if
share
practice
the
assignment
question.
all questions 4,
Ma'am,
5,
I will
8.
share the question.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
yeah.
Let me share.
see, the practice
Ma'am,
assignment
if we
question
don't
we
have any
will
doubts.
upload soon.
question 8,
The
ma'am.
solution practice assignment we will upload soon. Don't worry about it. Once the graded
there's some
assignment we
question
submit, we
left in
will
the
submit
chat
all
box.
the practices. Yeah. You,
Arpit sir,
Samrita
can
will
you
discuss that question. Samrita, could you please take that? Yes.
Yeah,
Arpit sir, can you please make sure
Ma'am,
that the
Stuti
week
has shared.
1 and week 2 practice assignments solutions are also shared?
Yeah, most probably it will share. Practice and graded assignment both will be both is already shared probably.
Sir, week
Sir,
1 and
No,
week 2
sir,
practice
is
where?
assignment
already
is
Where,
shared,
sir?
but the
I will
graded
share
We
the
have
are.
to find,
question.
sir. We have to find
Why
result.
will you share the graded assignment?
No, graded
Where?
assignment for week 1 and 2. The submission part is over, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay,
Sir, I'm
okay.
talking
Can
about the
share.
Yeah,
practice
all right.
assignment
Sir,
as well,
where
week
are
1 and
we
week
get?
2.
We
Sir,
can
where
share
we
now.
get? Where we
Most
get
What is
the
probably you will get in your website
dashboard?
also.
The dashboard is there.
Yeah, dashboard also.
Yeah,
in the
but
Hello.
Arpit,
Sorry for disturbing, ma'am.
Arpit, if you are going
Hello.
to answer these questions again and
Hello.
again every week, every day, these people are asking the same question.
Hello,
They are only
ma'am.
saying
Yeah.
Hello.
Actually, there is some orientation session is already done
nobody
in
is watching.
starting. In starting of the class. Please go and watch that lecture so that every doubt in the session regarding the courses will be clear.
What I see is a
Please go and
constructive.
watch that session.
Yeah, the constructive
Hello,
2 hours
ma'am.
is totally
share that
demoralized by
PDF.
this.
Hello,
Yeah,
sir.
I will
Please
share it.
Hello,
share.
Yeah,
sir.
Samrita, please share the video.
Yeah, I will share it.
Yeah.
Arpit, I want to know that we will have a mock or something for math also.
Yeah, you will have mock as well. So you will get it before your quiz one.
Yeah, because
Or
we got
before
it
your
for stats
qualifier.
already. We got it for stats already. So I was wondering whether we will have it for math also this
Hello,
week.
Yeah,
sir.
you will get. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you summarize slope line parabola? Sir, it was
Yeah.
समझ में नहीं
Samrita
आया.
will do that. If you have general doubt, so you just ask general doubt regarding to your course. Other doubt.
Sir, only
Samrita will take
summarize
care of.
slope line parabola. नहीं समझ में आया सर का lecture. तो कैसे समझ में नहीं आया.
Yeah, she will do that. Samrita, could you
we
please
have
take that
questions.
one?
Yeah, I will. Just give me some minute. Let me first share the file.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Any general doubt regarding the course, you just ask.
About this mock test. Sir, I have one general doubt.
Sir,
Sir, I
Stuti
have
is
one
saying
general doubt.
something.
Please don't
Sir,
create any
Stuti is
mess.
saying something.
Ask your doubt one by one.
one. I am saying now one by one. Otherwise, I will mute everyone.
Yeah,
One by
all
one.
right.
Amrit, mock test, whether it is mandatory?
Mock test is not mandatory. It's just for your practice.
Deadline is given.
Like if
That is
you are going somewhere, you prepare for that. No? It's just like for your trip. If you go trip, you have to prepare what thing you have to in like after going the trip. That kind of preparation you need. No? So
Hello,
just
ma'am.
like that.
I will send the
You
question.
have, if you want to do the practice, you can. Just for practice purpose. What mock papers? Mock papers are just like your paper, you can say. Just like your exam, we will provide you some papers.
Sir,
Sir,
hello.
I have a doubt.
So that you will be familiar what kind of information you will get. Yes.
Sir,
Sir, I
basically,
have only
I
one
have.
doubt.
Sorry.
Hello, sir. I have only one general doubt. Please help me.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Samriddha
पूछ
has
रहे थे।
shared the file. You can download it.
Yeah, I have shared it. You can download it from the chat box.
Sir, I have only one doubt, only one general doubt and two question doubt. Sir, I have one general doubt.
Yes.
सर
What's
जो
the
ये
general doubt?
जो मेंटर सेशन है ये मेंटर्स को दिया हुआ है क्या है और क्या फायदा क्या है इससे?
Mentor session is like after this TA session or after this instructor session, if you have some specific doubt on some specific topic, so you can attend that mentor session, and in that session they will take your that specific doubt and they will try to clear that doubt. Okay, just for specific. If you don't need to attend, you can, like, it's up to you only. If you really feeling like someone was asked in like week 2 session, like he was saying because I am not a math student, so I am feeling some issues with some specific topic, some small doubts there. So can we have some instruction and all? So yeah, that session will be there. So you can ask that kind of.
Where
sir,
that sessions are?
only one doubt. Also one doubt.
It's not for everyone. It's not for everyone.
Sir, where that sessions
So
are?
from where can we access that?
Just ask to TA for that. They knows better about it. Okay.
Sir,
which one is that? Arpit, sorry,
how
which
to
session you are
purchase
talking about?
They are
purchase
asking
mentor
for
session?
mentor session. Yes.
Arpit, this mentor session is only for people who have qualified the qualifier. It's not for people who are going to write the qualifier.
Yeah,
They will
this
not
Arpit-
have this mentor
Yeah, yeah.
session.
Yeah, ma'am.
Mentor session will happen only after the qualifying exam.
Yes,
If you
yes, yes.
qualify-
Ma'am, I am JE student.
Ma'am, I am from
Can I
JE.
access
Ma'am,
mentor
I-
session?
See, mentor sessions, I think you will get in your dashboard, you will have pending payments. In that, if you have a link, you can pay and you can join.
Okay. Fine.
Excuse me, sir. Is
Hello.
this one compulsory?
यार हवा बड़ी तगड़ी चल रही है।
Okay, people, I would request you, could we actually focus on the qualifier exam? Let's do this thing.
Yeah,
then we
yeah,
can all
exactly.
discuss.
Just focused on the qualifier exam. No need
Already
to discuss
people are
further
talking.
things.
Yeah,
Sir,
people are talking about
when will
yes.
the qualifier hall ticket will be released?
that also. has
It
been
will
told by
release
them.
just
Before
3
3
to 4
days.
days before the exam.
Yeah.
God.
Yeah. So just ask relevant doubt. This
On
kind of
4th
all doubt
July,
you
you will get the
can
ticket.
ask in TS session as well, right? This kind of doubt you can
Sir.
ask in TS session. Why are you wasting your time in that TS session?
Yeah,
Just
all
ask
right.
if you have some doubt regarding books and all. Just
Yes,
ask
Arpit.
that doubt. You
Yeah,
don't need
because
to
it is-
discuss
Sir.
the
Guys,
specific doubt.
leave if you
It is
have no
going
doubts, leave.
beyond. It is going
This
beyond the
assignment
point.
Ma'am, I
People
will
are
send
asking
the
about
question.
5 and
internship,
6 marks.
graduation, and all
Yeah,
this.
it's
Please don't create any
one by
mess.
one, one by
One by
better
one,
if you
one by
will.
Ma'am,
It's
I will
it's
send the
better.
question.
It's better. You will discuss. If you will ask related to the 3S. Okay, so that
Also, I
the
have a
session will be
doubt.
more useful for you.
Sir, if I qualified all the three
Yeah,
subjects
you
but
can.
failed in one subject, then what will happen?
You won't be
You have to
you won't be
you
writing
have
the
to
qualifier
give.
at all.
Re-attempt the paper that will be on quiz 2.
Yeah. Okay.
All
Okay. So
these things have
now
been, all these, whatever questions you're asking, everything is there in the orientation video.
You just
Check
watch
that.
the orientation session. Your whole
The time over here.
doubts will get cleared.
Divya, this is like kind of people who actually comes to every session, asking every mentor, every TA, and irritate them. And
Yeah,
some people,
they're wasting our time actually.
some people are howling, some people are singing. They switch on the TV. Everything is happening the last 3 weeks, and
okay.
for every
Okay.
TA,
Now, listen to me carefully. Now,
Better
if you
exit
have,
everyone.
okay, just a minute. If you have some doubt related to your course, related to this class, related to your practice assignment, related to your activity question, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Okay. For general
Ma'am,
doubt,
I
you
have
have
a question
orientation
regarding math.
session. Yeah, you
This assignment
you
question
already
number
had
5 and
audio.
6.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Let me complete first. Let me complete it first. Let me complete it first.
Hello.
Okay. So if you have, let me complete it first. I'm saying, let me complete it first. If you have some general doubt, you can directly mail to the course support team, or you can directly contact to your respective TA, or you can directly watch to the orientation session that is already there in YouTube. Okay. If you have some doubt regarding this course, regarding the regarding this session, regarding the week 3, you can ask here. Even week 2 and week 1, you can also ask. Okay. Now Samriddha will take over the class. Please continue. Samriddha.
Hello?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Hello, sir. I have a problem. Hello? ये आवाज ही नहीं जा रही है.
Yes, I am here.
Yeah. Practice. I have a problem in practice assignment. Question number 4, week 3.
Okay. Just take a screenshot of that question and
I
upload
think
it
the
here.
practice assignment will be solved by the TA also, no?
Yeah, they are solving as well. But still, if they have some doubt, you just take it and try to clear that doubt.
And there are also recordings for this of the TA sessions that also has been shared.
Sorry for disturbing, sir. I will send the question. Can you explain it?
Okay, let's solve it one by one. Who have doubt? Can you put it again in the chat box?
Yeah, ma'am. With anything else.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in a 3.2 assignment, non-graded one.
Okay.
One question.
So,
Can you
take a
have a check?
screenshot.
For a screenshot available chat.
Okay.
We will send the screenshot. Check.
Yeah, just let me check.
It's 2 questions. It's a one question, and second is a summary for
So please mute yourself. Let's solve it one by one. I can see there is one question. Choose the correct standard form of the quadratic equation with root 7/2 and minus 10/3. So what is the problem in this question?
Ma'am, this question is not.
Yes.
Ma'am, I feel the option 4 will be the answer of this question, if I am not wrong.
They are asking to express in standard form, so it should be in the form of x square plus bx.
Yeah. So let me share my screen again. You can see it. So here we have the 2 root is 7/2 and minus 10/3. So the equation will be this.
Right? Ma'am.
That you already know?
Ma'am, the screen where you are writing, it's not visible.
Ma'am, only home screen is visible, not the notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check. I think some network issue is happening. Is it okay right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, you can see we can write the equation as the form, right? So now just simplify this equation.
Yes, ma'am.
And you will get the answer. So let's do that. It will be x squared plus 10/3x minus 7/2x 7/2 into 10/3. Right? So it will be x squared plus 6 20 minus 6 55. So you can write it as is it fine? It will be the simplified version. Is it fine? Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now let's look the next. Next out is consider the quadratic function test. So here we have the quadratic function fx equals to x squared 2x minus 8. We have the parabola So this curve is something like that. Now what is it saying? R is the point of intersection of the axis of symmetry. Okay. And is the vertex of the curve. So this is the vertex. Based on the information, answer the following question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I ask how the vertex is like 1, 10? Like I understood that y it's 1, but how it's 10, ma'am?
You can here apply the formula minus b by 2a. So it is here b is minus 2. So this is the minus of minus 2 by 2a. So it 2a, that means 2 is 2 1.
So the x coordinate will come 1.
Yes. So
now
we have the
put
curve
this
here.
1.
Yeah. This x is 1. So we need to find the value of y. So f of 1 will be 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 8. Okay.
That would be, ma'am, minus 9.
Oh, sorry. I think I have made some mistake. Yeah, it will be minus 9. Sorry.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So is there a vertex which is 1 minus 9? Then the graph will be something.
Not direct. The song is designing. Oh, there. Oh.
Can you please mute yourself? Can you please mute yourself?
Sit up, Yalu. Okay, no, sir. Let's read them. तीस मतलब भी ओवर डाउन है मैं नहीं पीऊंगा थोड़ा लगा
Can you please
हाँ
mute yourself?
कर ले चला जाए जी दे सीधा
Don't
मिला पर
create
रोटी कर
any
ले
mess.
मैं
Excuse
ना
me.
क्यों
Sir, can you please just mute
मैं पीऊंगा
everyone and then
रोटी कर ले आगे सब्जी कर ले आगे ना सीट
Bro,
पे आ
meet please.
Yes, sir.
I don't
Please
know
mute
why
everyone.
am I not getting the access to mute everyone?
अरे सब्जी कर ले आगे ना मैं सीट पे
Arpit, are you there? You can
मैं
mute
जल्दी कर आगे
themselves,
ना
please.
एक कम गाल ले और सब्जी कर ले आगे ना तो मैं भी पीऊंगा
Yes,
सीट
Samriddha. Yes, I am there.
No,
Yeah, I am
please
muted.
mute yourself.
Yeah,
They're
done.
really taking this. Yeah. So we have the vertex as 1, 9, -9. And A is greater than 0, the direction will be upward, right? So if this is our coordinate system, this point will be some 1.9 in the equation of the parabola like this. Sorry. So oh, I cannot see the question. Whoever posted that question, can you post it again?
Yes, ma'am, I'll post it.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am. So if the quadratic equation is we are finding D is larger, I mean greater than the 0. So there is a true condition. If it D is a square, perfect square is a rational number and real, and vice versa. Same like it is D is not perfect square, it is irrational. So D is a perfect square means what? Actually, we can take it out from the D. I mean
Perfect.
from the
Yeah. Perfect square means if you take the root of the number, you will get some integer value.
So like lastly we found that minus 14 plus 12, that one like that, right? That is perfect square.
Yeah. Yes. Because this is giving some integer value. If you like after taking the root, if you can get an integer value, then the number will be a perfect square. Otherwise, you will get something within the root, and it will be then it will be a irrational number.
Irrational number. Okay.
Ma'am, I've sent it in the chat box.
Okay. Yeah. Let me see it. Yeah. So we have the equation, and now it's saying that the point of chosen number parts of the below to be exact. So yeah, this is our vertex. Hence, the axis of symmetry is that one, right?
Yes,
And we
ma'am.
know
The axis of
that
symmetry would be x is equals to 1.
yeah, x equals to 1, and this distance is 1. Now we're taking to point PQ on the curve such that axis of symmetry. Okay. So we're taking somewhere this PQ such that the distance is the 2 unit from the axis of symmetry. So R is the point of intersection of the axis of symmetry and x-axis. That means this point is R, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is
1,
some
0.
point. Yeah. This is some Q point, and we have this distance is 2. This distance is also 2. Now, S is the vertex of the curve, so this point is S. We have that information. Now, what we have to do, what is the height of the triangle PQR? That means this triangle. We have to find the height of this triangle. That means we have to find this distance, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Because we are taking PQ as the base. So
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And the second question is PQS. This. So we have to find this distance also. Height of this. We
Y
have,
coordinate will do.
yes.
Y
We have to
coordinate.
find the, yeah, this is our Y coordinate and this is our X coordinate. So we have the triangle PQR and PQS. So here we have to find the height of the triangle PQR, where we are taking PQ as the base, and we have to find the height of the triangle PQS, where PQ was the base. So we have to basically find this distance and this distance.
Ma'am, actually, I could not understand like the how to find the coordinates of P and Q.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me just think about it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Just wait. I'm not saying anything actually. Let me just think about it.
Ma'am, what is that ratio 1:2?
What?
You written 1 and 2. Is it some ratio or what?
No, this is not one. This is just a something. We have that the distance of P from the axis of symmetry is 2 unit, and the distance of Q from the axis of symmetry is 2 unit. That means this is 2 and this is also 2.
Ma'am, so with that information, we can say that the x-coordinate of P will be -1 and the x-coordinate of Q will be 3.
Yeah.
These are 2 units from the axis.
Yeah, that we can say. From
And
this.
from the x-coordinates, we can find the y-coordinates using the
Better find the
equation
roots of the
parabola.
equation. Roots of
We
the
have.
equation will be better. So you will get it somewhere around.
Yeah, then we can get this 2 points. Also, if we get this distance, yeah, that is right. See, from we have the x coordinate of this point, right? So from this we can find the y coordinate of this point. Okay, and also for r we have the x coordinate, like one of the coordinate which is x equals to 1, and here have the coordinate for y also, because our point is basically 1, 0, right? If we can find this point P, then we will get this distance, and then we can get this one. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am, I got it now.
Yeah. Can you do that with me?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So we have, this is 1 and 2 in unit 1. This is the x coordinate will be -1. So P1 equals to -1 we already have. So what will be the value of P2? Can you solve it and tell me?
Yes, ma'am, I'm solving that.
Yeah. Everyone, please, all of you, please try to do this. Solve what will be the value of P2?
Ma'am, we have to put this -1 in that equation, and then it's giving -5, I guess.
Okay, x squared minus 2x minus 8. This is our equation, right? So we're just putting -1, it will be -2 squared, 2 into -1 minus 8. So it will be 1 minus plus 2 minus 8. Yeah, that is -5. So we have total equals to -5. So the point is
Ma'am,
-1
ma'am,
minus 5.
Can you tell like how you got P1 to be as -1 over there?
Yeah, sure.
-5. 3 minus 5.
P1 is -1 because we have the distance of the point P from the axis of symmetry is 2, right? And this point is 1. If we like it may not be -1, right? Because the distance 2 means this point is 2.
Q is 3 minus 5.
What?
Because it's a axis of symmetry. So point 2 points from -1. So it will be axis of symmetry. Again 2 points from there, it will be Q. So it will be 3. -1 plus 4 equal to 3.
No, see, x equals to 1 is the axis of symmetry. This is our axis of symmetry. And we're taking the 2 point Q1 key, which is on the curve, and distance is 2 units from the axis of symmetry.
Either way, that also right, because 1 then 0 minus 1, then 1, 2, 3. So x would be 3 here, y would be -5.
Why x would be 3 here?
Because your axis of symmetry is at 1, you will move 2 points here. Because here you are getting p is -1. Because symmetry
He's
means you
talking
divide
about
equal
Q.
parts, right?
No. See,
I think
this
he's
is the
talking
one
about
point,
Q.
right?
Yeah.
Q, I am talking about Q.
Q.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you are talking about Q. Yeah, we can also like do this in that way. And
If
we
you get
are
P,
doing
you got
this
Q,
in
you
that way.
got
We
vertex,
can
you got
also do
R.
this in
It's
that
easy.
way. Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. The distance is -2, right? Here the point is 1, and if we take like 2 distance, so this point will be like the x coordinate will be -1. So I think there is no problem in this. And then we are taking -1 in this equation, and then we are getting the value of P2. I think there is no problem with this, right?
Yes, ma'am, I got it, and I have checked with the Q coordinates as well.
Okay.
If we will
Okay.
put 3
It
in the
will be same,
equation,
right?
yeah, it's coming -5 only. Yeah, I
Can
checked
you
it.
use a
So
different color,
now
ma'am?
we can find the distance of this 2 point P and R, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you
Yeah.
use a different
So what
color,
is the
ma'am?
distance?
Can you use a different color because I'm not able to find where you are marking out.
Okay, sure. See, here we are taking this triangle. Can you see the color now?
Yeah, yellow. Maybe we can use a red.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
will be good.
So we have the coordinate of the P, and then we can find the distance of this 2 point P and R. So what will be the distance? Can you say it? Can you calculate it?
5.
PR is 5.
Yes.
So this distance is also 2. So if we want to find this distance, let's just take it as x. Then
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am.
It is
I
not 5.
just
It is not 5.
wanted to ask one thing.
Yeah.
Like since we have got -5, we can't do it directly like r is 1, 0 and the base is coming on like -5. So the height would be 5. Like we cannot do it
Yeah,
directly.
also, yeah, that is also we can do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is -1, -5. And this is 1, 0. Yeah. From that we can find. This will be 5. So the value of x will be 5. So in a similar way, you can find the value of this height. So can you find it and let me know?
4.
How?
Yes, ma'am. It is 4. 9 minus
Yes.
5, 4.
And because the
Okay.
total distance is 9.
Yes. Yeah. So is it clear now?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a problem. I have a doubt in problem number 4 in this assignment. I have
So
shared the screenshot.
yeah, you can take a screenshot and just share it.
Yeah, I have shared.
Ma'am, can I just take my doubt first so that I could just leave once my
Can you
doubt is
just
clear?
brief this sum again?
There is
Just
so many problems here, so I don't know which is yours. Can you just put it now, or you
I
can
have
like
put it. Ma'am, I have directly shared it with you. My name is Devangi Roy.
okay, just
Hello.
yes. Okay, let me check.
Ma'am.
can you
Yeah.
just brief about this sum again? Just a brief.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's a bit confusing, please.
Okay, sure. So see, we have the equation of our parabola. This is something like that, and vertex is 1, -9. This is clear up to that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes, ma'am.
this is the axis of symmetry, which is x equals to 1. Now we are taking 2 points P and Q such that the distance of the P and distance of Q from the axis of symmetry is 2. That means this distance is 2. This distance is also 2. Now they have said that the point of intersection of the axis of symmetry and x-axis is R. So we know that here x equals to 1 and y equals to 0. So we have the coordinate for R. Now the distance, this point, the x value is 1 here, and the distance of the point P, you can also take the point Q. We are just taking the point P. So we can find the x coordinate of the point P. Because we have 1, and if we shift just 2 units, then it will be P1 equals to -1. P equals to P1, P2. So is it fine?
-1 now it's coming.
Yeah, because we are just shifting 2 units. This point is 1, then we are shifting 2 units. It will, the origin will be something here. So if we shift 1 unit from 1, then it will be 0, and then shift again 1 unit, then it will be -1. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the value of P1. If we just this point is on the parabola, right? So the point will satisfy the equation. So if we put the P1 and P2 in the equation, then From there we can find the value of P2, which is -5 probably. Yeah. From there we can get the value of P2 is -5. And if you see here, so this coordinate is -1, -5, and this coordinate is 0. So this is 0 and this is -5. So this distance will be obviously 5, right?
Yeah.
Just 5 minus 0. And again, if we consider this triangle, you can see here the y-axis is -9 and here we have 5. So we are just we are just subtracting 9. Like we are just taking 9 minus 5 here. So this is just 4. Now is it fine?
Which one that right side SQ4?
Yeah. PQS. This triangle. PQS.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah. So we have
Okay.
this y-axis is here it is -9 and here it is -5. So distance is 4, right?
Yeah. Okay.
9 minus 5, 4. So is it fine now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am, I have shared the screenshot.
Yeah. Number 17 question or it.
No, not question number 4.
Question
Poonam Gupta. Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question number 17.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
I
many you have doubt in question number 17, so we can solve this. Yeah, you can ask you. Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in a word problem. I sent it in the chat box.
Yeah. Let me pick up one by one. So let's see the question number 17. So we have house A. This is our A. And okay. What is the question here? Is it at the full question?
Ma'am, the question here is to find the length between both the houses, the distance between both the
Okay.
houses, A and B.
So we have to find the distance between A and B, right? Is it the question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
We
ma'am.
have to find the value of X.
Yes, ma'am.
We have this direction. This angle is theta. This angle is 180 minus theta. This we have. And the height of the house A is 10 feet. It is given, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So there is no detail about the house B, okay, right?
No,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually both are of the same height. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, both are of the same height.
Okay, so base is same. Then the base is same for them. So this is our X. And this is probably our Y.
Ma'am, I think house B should also be 10 feet.
Yeah. The base is same. That means the both of the house, the height is 10 feet. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in activity questions 3.5, question number 1.
Okay, please wait. Let me first see this question. Let us please try to solve this question. So that's we will go to another one.
Okay.
Can we take this one this building is on y-axis?
Yeah, we're taking this building is on parallel to y-axis.
Then it will be difficult because I've been also trying, because if I take it on y-axis, then only it's possible. Otherwise, difficult.
Yeah, obviously the building is like parallel to y-axis. You can
Because
take it
I was
like that, and the
suppose
base
the
will be
equation is
same as x.
suppose the equation would be ax square plus by or bx plus c. If it is on intercept is on y-axis, then it's 0. Otherwise, how will it be getting? Because then the value of, well, there are 3 variables. Otherwise, 2 variables is possible. 3 variables will become difficult. So either I take this as a origin or it's on y-axis. That's the only possible option is there.
Yeah. The house will be same as like y-axis. This is 180 minus theta. That means this angle is also theta. So if we take this triangle, so you know the formula, right? If we have the angle theta, and then we can say about this like this triangle.
Yes, ma'am, like tan theta is equal to P by B.
Yes. So if we take it as A and is B, so we can conclude that tan theta equals to. Okay. So from here we have this B equals to A tan theta. So A dash, otherwise there will be some confusion. So yeah.
And we have been given the value of tan theta is equal to 1 as well.
Okay, tan theta equals to 1. So 1. So we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
basically this one. So the distance between B and A, it will be 2B dash, right?
Ma'am, you write in wrong. B is equals to, you write in wrong. B is equals to tan theta upon A dash. Here will be
Yeah,
B
this
is
is
equal
correct
to
only.
A. But how?
This is the angle, right? So this is our base.
Like
This is our base.
here I can see tan
height.
theta is equals to A by B, then we can say B is equal to A by tan theta. But you write in B is equal to A.
Okay, this from this to this. Yeah. Sorry. However, it will be going to be the same because we have tan theta equals to 1.
Yes.
So both angle anyway taking both will be 45 only.
Yeah.
So it will be 1 only.
So this is 45. So the distance will be 2B dash, that is equals to 2A dash, right? Because this is also 45 and this is also 45. So for the like both of the triangles, the base will be same.
Yes, ma'am.
The distance is 2B dash, that is equals to 2A dash. What we need to find this. So this is 10 we have. That means the y if we take it as our y-axis, then this point will be something like that.
They have given the total height to be 12.5 feet.
Okay, total height is also given.
Yeah, just below the diagram, you see another line. Where
No, I can't see any line here.
No. Just below the diagram, you can see they've written that theta is equal to 1 and the total height of the thing is 12.5.
Yeah, is there 12.5?
Okay,
There is a line.
So
If the
subtract that
maximum
2.5
height
be
of
getting.
Okay, the
the
maximum height is given. So we have this length. This
Yes, ma'am,
length
it
is
is 12.5.
12.5. Okay, then it's became easy, right? So the full distance is 12.5 and this distance is 10. So this distance will be 12.5 minus 10. This is 2.5, right? And if
Yes,
we
ma'am.
multiply 2 into 2.5, then we can get
5.
just 5. So the distance is 2 into 5. So is it the answer?
No,
No,
ma'am,
this
it's
is
not
not
the
the answer. Answer
answer.
is 10 feet.
10 meter is the answer. That's why, ma'am, I solved it in a similar way like yours. But the ambiguity is this only, that 5 is not the correct answer. It's given that 10 meter is the correct answer.
10 is the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you found the value of one side. If you will add both, then you will find 10 feet.
No. See, from here
You find the value of one triangle.
equals to 2.5, right? The value of a dash equals to 2.5. So the value of 2a dash will be 5. This is the distance. I don't think there is any fault in this answer. Maybe I will ask Vishal to check it. Maybe the answer is given, which is given, maybe it is wrong, but the distance will be 5. How many of you got the distance as 5?
Ma'am, me also.
Miss, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Miss, we need to find the distance between the twice
Two
distance of
buildings.
B dash, right?
Yes. The twice distance of B dash.
So, ma'am, 5 we got the distance of B or B dash. I mean, twice B dash or only B dash.
Twice B dash.
Okay,
Because the highest point is 12.5 and the
yes,
height
ma'am.
of the house A is 10. So this is our A dash is 12.5 minus 10. So it is 2.5.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So 2A dash will be 5. I don't think anything is wrong in this answer. So there might be some mistake in the answers, the assignment set. So I think the answer is 5. Let's now move to the next question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Before
Okay,
the
ma'am. Thank you,
question,
ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am, in the graded assignment for week 3.
Graded assignment, I think we can't discuss this right now.
No, not a question, not a doubt. In the graded assignment, there are like 4 repeated questions. So, what about it, ma'am?
The numbers are different, right?
Actually, no, numbers are not different for me. The numbers are same.
Oh, okay. For me, the numbers are different.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, I will talk to Vishal about it and yeah, we will solve the problem.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I just
Ma'am, the
sent
answer
a
of this
image.
question is
Please check.
5 feet.
Yes.
Ma'am, but in that practice assignments is showing 10 feet.
Yeah, there might be some mistake in the answer. But
Okay,
yeah, this is right. The distance will be 5 feet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. This is your
Ma'am, I
from your
just
practice
send a
assignment,
pic.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. There might be some mistake in the answer then. The distance will be 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
ma'am, I also wanted to ask,
Yes.
ma'am, till when will this practice assignment solutions be updated in our course? Like only week 1 are there.
Okay. So I think by the next week you will get the solutions by the like TA sessions.
Okay,
With
ma'am.
the recordings, yeah.
Ma'am, I just send a pic. Please solve my doubt.
Yeah. Just let's pick one by one. There is one problem. Some Amar Pal, you send a screenshot.
Yes.
Yeah. So you have problem
Question
with
number
both
1.
the question or 1 or 2?
One.
Okay. Question number 1. So the slope of the line which crosses the vertex on one. Okay. So we have the equation y equals to x squared plus 10x minus 5. This is the parabola. And so we have the parabola. We can find the vertex, right? The vertex.
Yes.
So what will be the vertex?
Answer 5.
You already know how to find the vertex. So what will be the vertex?
Vertex will be 1 second. Vertex will be minus 5 comma minus 5. 1 second. But I need to find the slope. So in the slope, the slope samikran 2x plus 10
Okay. Yeah. We will find it. So vertex is minus 5 minus 30, right?
minus
This is
5
the
minus
vertex, right?
30. Yes.
Okay. And the y-intercept, that means if x equals to, if we put x equals to 0 in the equation, then we will get
Y-intercept.
minus 5. So we have 2 points. First is minus 5 minus 30. And second is 0 comma minus 5. Now, if we have 2 points, then you can find the equation of the line, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but what will be the equation? Please solve it with us.
How you found it?
This is our x1, this is our y1, this is our x2, this is our y2. So equation of the line, it will be x minus x1,
Ma'am,
x2.
you are taking the value of x1, y1, x2, y2 from yourself.
What? We have
Are you
given
taking the
two
value?
hints. See, we have given 2 hints that we have 2 points. First point is vertex of the parabola, and the second point is y-intercept of the quadratic equation. So if vertex we have, we can find the vertex, and y-intercept means when x equals to 0, we can find the value of y. Thus we got this 2 points. Now we can find the equation using this 2 point. Okay.
Okay.
So we're just putting the value in this equation, and this, then we can get this one. So by simplifying it, we can ask 30 equals to 0. 5x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. So is the equation same as yours? You also are solving with me, right?
Yes,
Is
miss.
the equation
Same.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am
Yeah.
still confused.
Yeah. You can ask it.
Can you please repeat from where you found the value of x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 5, and after that, please repeat again. I am still confused about it.
Okay, see, the problem is we have to find the slope of the line which passes through the vertex and y-intercept of the quadratic equation. So we have 2 points, which one is the vertex and one is the y-intercept of the quadratic equation. So if we have the 2 points, we can find the equation of the line joining these 2 points with this formula, right? With this formula, if we have point x1 y1 and x2 y2, then we can find the equation of the line joining these 2 points with this formula, right?
Yes, yes. This formula from week 2.
Yes. So we have these 2 points B and S. This is our vertex and this is our y-intercept. Just put the value here, then we will get the equation of the line. And from here we can find the slope. So the slope will be probably minus b by a, right?
Yes.
So it will be it is minus, oh sorry, this is minus a by b.
Minus 10.
Minus a by b. That means minus 5. Okay?
Okay.
Is it fine?
And yes, ma'am. And I also doubt in question number 2. I just need idea about it, how to solve it. I am just sending the pic of it.
Okay. Question number 2 in the same screenshot.
Yes, but it's not visible proper.
Yes, yes. So you just put it again so that I can visit the question properly.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I'm just sending it. 1 second. I sent it.
Still it's not visible.
Ma'am, I sent it.
Okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So you have to identify the point at which the slope of this equation is 10. You can generally take the point as P1, P2, and you have the equation x squared plus 2x minus 5, right? So you y equals to, sorry. So you know that the slope will be 2ax plus b. Let us assume that in the point P, the slope is 4. So we have 2a P1 plus b equals to 10. So you have the value of a equals to 1 and b equals to 2, right? So just put here 2p1 plus 2 equals to 10. And from here we can get p1 equals to 4. And then also you can get the value of p2. So p2 will be 4 squared plus 2 into 4 minus 5, which is 16 plus 8 minus 5. So the answer will be the option 3. Fine?
Option 3. Fine, but I'm still confused of what kind of logic you are using here.
Okay. See, here you have to find the point at which the slope is 10. So you don't know what is the point. What you can do here, you can assume a general point like P1, P2. I am taking the point as P1, P2. So now I have to find the value of P1, P2. Then only we can say what is the point, right?
Yes.
So you have the condition. You have the condition. You have the value of slope. You just have to find the value of the point P1, P2. So just put the value and get the condition, and then you can calculate the value. Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am.
So let's look at the next question. Okay. So we have f1 equals to x square minus 25. This is again a parabola, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can draw this parabola. We can write it as s1 minus 0 s1 minus 25. So in that case, the vertex will be 0 minus 25. Do you know this form? Do you know this form? Like if we have
The
the
vertex
equation,
formula.
yeah,
Vertex.
I'm writing it. If we have the equation like that, x minus some a1 square plus b1. If we have an equation in this form for a parabola, then the vertex will be a1 comma b1. This is another form. So from here we can find the vertex is 0 minus 25. And a is positive, so the direction will be upward. 0 minus 25 means this is somewhere here. The parabola will be something like that. Is it okay? So this is our F1. So if we take the reflection of F1 with respect to our x-axis, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, then we will get some curve like that. Right? So this point is 0, minus 25. So here it will be 0, 25. Is it fine?
Yes.
Okay. So here, what we have to supposed to do? Okay. The cardinality of A is 2. So A is the set of all points inside the region of the curve representing this. So this set is basically A, right? This set is basically A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So cardinality of A is 2. This is clearly cardinality of A is not neither 2 nor 4 because the region A, there are so many points, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
number of points will be not at least 2 or 4, right? So the option 1 and option 2 is not correct. Option 3 is saying that the coordinate of the point will belong to the interval. Okay. So y coordinate will be in the set minus 25. This is minus 25. This is 25. Yeah. The third option is correct, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If we take any point from this region, the y coordinate will be minus 25 to 25. So the third option is correct. The third
Ma'am,
option.
I have one doubt here. In that question, they're saying f1 of x and its reflection f2 of x with respect to x-axis. In the bracket, they've given excluding the points on curve. So they're saying on So
excluding the point of the
with
curve. Yeah.
respect to x-axis only, we need to take that, or on for both y-axis and x-axis, we need to use that condition.
No, see, no, the condition is for both y-axis and x-axis. Here we are just taking the reflection about x-axis. Okay. Because we have that one and we're taking the reflection, then we can get this curve. And when you are excluding the points from the curve, that means we are excluding the boundary. A is basically
the 25 will not be there, right? 25 minus 25 will not be included.
Yes, 25 and minus 25 will not be included. So in the option 3, we can see this is open interval. That means minus 25 and 25 is not in the set. So this is correct. But for the option 4, you can see that they also included minus 25 and 25. So this will not be correct. Option 4 will not be correct, right? Because we are excluding the points 25 and minus 25. Okay.
Okay.
And the x coordinate of the set of the point on set A belongs to the interval -5. Okay. So here the problem is again same. For the option 5, they took closed interval -5, closed interval -5. So again, the fifth option is wrong because we can't take this 2.5 and -5, right? Because we are excluding the points on the curve. So the fifth option is again wrong. Let's look at the sixth option. Coordinate of the point A will be yeah. The sixth option is correct. X coordinate will be real number between this interval -5 to 5. It will be in this interval. So
But
is it
the options, we can select only one. It is not a multi-select option.
okay? Yeah. So the third option is correct. You can choose the third option because it is exactly same.
Ma'am,
And
but over here, they are saying all real numbers. They are not mentioning -5 to 5. They're not saying the sixth option.
Yeah,
They're
yeah,
saying
yeah.
all real numbers. So we can't choose that option, right?
Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah, that is the point. Yeah, the real number will be in the interval -5 to 5. We can't choose all real numbers. Yeah, that is the point. So
The fifth option, ma'am.
So the correct option will be the third option.
Third or fifth one, ma'am?
Third option.
No, but no, they are asking for the x-axis, right? Not an y-axis. Look at the question. Respect to the x-axis.
See the x-axis, but we are excluding the point -5 and 5. So closed interval -5 and 5 will not be in the set. But for the option 3, we are taking open interval -25 and 25. This is correct.
That with respect to x-axis, it's actually the reflection of the curve, they're saying.
Yes.
So the parabola is actually it's on the x-axis. So that is why they're saying with respect to x-axis.
Yeah.
But we need to choose the correct option based on the.
Yeah, you need to choose the correct option based on the options only, and we are excluding all the points on the curve. That means we are basically excluding the boundary here. So the option 3 will be correct. So I don't think you have any doubt in this. So we can move on to the next question, right?
Ma'am, I have sent
Ma'am,
you
I
a
have
question.
Yeah.
If you just scroll up, I think you'll
Yeah, yeah.
find 2 lines. Divya.
Ma'am, I also just sent a question.
It's okay. There is so
Maybe
many.
I can share it again. You want me to share it again?
Okay. Let's just try to solve one by one because there are so many questions.
Ma'am, try to solve my doubt because in the previous live class, someone confused me.
What what is your doubt?
My doubt is how to find the value of u. Someone told me to put the uh, uh, put the value of
Like what was the question?
Question number activity question 3.4, question number 1.
Did you post it in the comment box?
Yes, Amarpal Singh.
What is the question number?
Question number 1. I sent it only one question.
I can't see any question number 1 here. Okay, this one.
You
What is
found?
your problem?
I need to find the value of u, but I don't know how to find.
Okay.
Before
Let's
watching
come,
this class, I
let's come
asked,
one by one. There are so many questions before that. Let me first attend them. Then I will come to your question also.
ma'am, you also take some previous class also
What?
in week 3. You take some previous class in week 3.
No. I haven't took any previous class in week 3.
Okay, but someone take and confuse the whole class, and no one asking about it. And when I
Okay.
solve it, then I am still confused. So I am asking again.
Okay, so how many of you have doubt with this question? If the number is bigger, then I can like proceed with the problem.
Ma'am, I will say please solve this question because whole class is confused.
Okay. Let's look the question.
Okay.
So what's the problem?
We need to find the value of u.
Okay. So here we have ht equals to who is the initial so we have the again u is the initial speed, that means u is a constant, right? So we can take
Yes.
u as a constant. So we have the parabola h of t equals to minus 5t squared plus u by 2t. Again, if we take minus b by some 2 here, it will be b. Our b is u by 2, and this is 2 into 5. So minus will be cancelled out, and it will be u by 20, right?
20.
This is our x-axis. If we put the value here, then we will get minus 5 u squared by 400 plus 5u into u by 20. It will be minus 5 u squared by 400 plus u squared by 40. So we can multiply with 10. Then we will get 5 u squared by 400, which is 80. U squared by 80, right? So our vertex will be u by 20. square by 80, if I am not wrong. Then this is our vertex.
Ma'am, how you getting u by 20?
Just minus b by 2a.
Okay. U by 20.
If you have the formula minus b by 2a, right? So from that
Yes.
formula, we can find the value of x-axis and just put the value in the equation. Then from this, we can find the value of y-axis. So this is our vertex here. So
Okay.
if we just draw
After
the
that,
parabola, we can see here a is negative, something negative. So the motion will be like downward.
downward.
Yeah. This is our parabola. And the vertex we have u by
u by 20, u square by 80.
This is our vertex. Now what we have to do,
We need to find the value of q.
Okay. So suppose if this is our ground, this is our x-axis, right? So this is our y-axis. This is something parallel to y-axis. I don't know what is u. So it will be something positive because the speed, it will be positive. So this is our y-axis. And the direction will be, and this is given the highest point is 5. So the distance is 5. That means from here, we can see that this will be 5, right?
Yes.
From here, we can find the value of u, 80 into 5. What will be the value of u from here? Tell me.
20. Plus 20 or minus 20, both.
20?
Yes.
Okay. So because we are taking the positive one, right? So the value of u is 20. So the initial speed is 20. So you have, what is your doubt?
My doubt is cleared.
This fine, right?
Yes.
Okay. So,
ma'am, I also have a understanding problem. 1 minute. I
Ma'am,
found.
how did you assign that u square by 80 equal to 5?
because see, the highest point means what? If we have the vertex x and y, then this is the distance. That the vertex is basically the highest point of this kind of parabola, right? So the distance we have given that this distance is 5. That means the y-axis is, x-axis is something else. I don't know what is it. Suppose this is some p and the y-axis will be 5. And we got the vertex is this, then obviously these 2 points will be equal. So this will be similar to 5. And from this equation, we can find the value of u. Clear, right?
Okay. Fine, ma'am. Yep, okay.
And this question was discussed in the last class as well.
Yeah, but so many of you asked that you have some doubt with this question. That's why I put this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So let's now do the next problem. The fourth one, as many of you have posted this fourth question. We have this graph.
Ma'am, I need to understand about book binding meaning.
Okay.
Book binding is English word, but I need to understand it in Hindi. Book binding.
Can you repeat it? You're not audible properly, actually. Can you say it again?
I need to understand the meaning of book binding.
Book
I just
binding.
found a question. Yes, book binding. Book binding.
Okay.
Book
Okay,
binding.
we will discuss this question also. let us first discuss the fourth question. Many of you have posted this one. So let me take the fourth question.
Okay, ma'am.
First solve it together, then we will discuss it.
Okay, ma'am.
So they're taking 0. So we have the graph. Something 6 is 7. This is our y1. This is our y. So this is the point of intersection. This is the amount of plastic, and this is our y-axis.
Ma'am, we can get the equation of the two lines using the points they have given.
Yeah. What will be the equation? You can solve it and please let me know. I will
Y1
just
will be minus x plus 6
y will be minus x
plus 6
plus 6 equals to 0, right?
No.
And y2?
Y2 will be x plus 1.
Then what will be d? Just multiply them and let me know what is d.
I'm not sure about the Y2. If anybody can correct me if I'm wrong.
What? Y2?
Y2.
So we
The
can check
equation
it.
is found using a 2 points form, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. See,
So which means that
we
is
can
no.
check it. Like the equation will be these 2 points we have. So plus y equals to 6. That will be the equation. So y will be 6 minus.
Okay, I have told you ulta. I have told you ulta, I think. Y2 and Y1.
No. You are correct. This is y1. You are correct. This 2 point, this is y1, and 0, 1, and this 2 point it will be y2. Y2 will be minus 0. 7 minus 0 equals to y minus 1. 8 minus 1. So 7 will be cancelled out. Then we can find x equals to 1 minus 1. So y will be equals to x plus 1. Yeah, your equations are correct. These are correct. These are the two equations. So now we can find d, right? So just multiply this and simplify this. So it will be minus x square minus x plus 6x plus 6, right? Just simplify this and it will be minus x square plus 5x plus 6. If we take minus outside, then it will be something like that, minus a x square minus 5x minus 6. So our a is positive. We have our a is positive, hence minus a will be negative. So if we Like this is again an equation of a parabola, right?
Yes, ma'am. But
Yes, ma'am.
how did you change that thing? Like see minus, it is minus a over here.
We
But
are
you're
taking
saying
minus as common from this. We are
okay,
taking
but
minus as
the
common from this.
question they have given us a should be positive.
Yeah.
But here
A
it
is
is negative.
positive. That implies minus a will be negative, right? If we multiply some minus with some positive number, it will be a negative number, right?
Yeah.
So if a is positive, then minus a will be negative. So we
Yes.
have this. Yeah. And if we have the equation, we can find the value of vertex. So what will be the vertex? Just calculate it and let me know. What will be the vertex? From here, from the equation?
And the x coordinate of vertex is 2.5.
X coordinate is 2.5. And y coordinate? What is the y coordinate? Just put the value here and find the value of y coordinate.
Ma'am, I don't think we need to find the y coordinate over here.
So what they asked to, okay.
After this, how will you find the maximum?
Okay, find the value of the function y1 and y2 such that the d, the road is maximum.
Yes, ma'am. So we have to substitute x1 and y1 and y2 and find.
Okay, so let's do it that way. Also, then let me know what's the answer.
So here there is no parabola involved.
Okay.
Because I was under the assumption that V3 parabola will be there. So I was just trying to figure out if there's any parabola that I will get.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was also confused in the last class. Ma'am also told that it's a parabola. So I was also confused in it.
Yeah, it's a parabola. This is true. Because this is equation of a parabola, right? So we have to D, the equation of D, this is the equation of a parabola. And what we know that because A is positive, hence minus A is negative, then the parabola will be like that. And the maximum point of D will be the vertex. So if we can check the vertex, then it will be like the vertex will be the maximum point. So from there we can find the maximum value, right?
So we found the vertex to be 2.5. So we can substitute that over there in the equation and get the y coordinate.
Yes. That's what I was also saying. That we can find the y-axis also. So let me know what is it. Just put the value here and get the value of y. Just y will be minus a 2.5 square minus 5 into 2.5 minus 6.
But they are just asking the values of y1 and y2 at that maximum durability. So that 2.5 we have to substitute in the linear equations, y1 and y2.
No. Yeah, that's fine. But okay. See, when the function d at the vertex, right? If you just get the vertex, then you can put the value of that point, that vertex, in the both of the equation y1 y2. Then you can find the answer. So okay, here you have the x coordinate. Then we can put the value and we can find y1 and y2. So y1 will be can you calculate it?
Yes, ma'am. Both will be 3.5.
Will be 3.5. Okay. One should be negative, right? y2 minus 2. Oh, not minus, sorry. Yeah, both will be 3.5. 3.5 means just 7/2. So the option 2 is correct. You don't need to find the y coordinate of the vertex because we need to find the value of y1 and y2. So it is enough to find the x coordinate of the vertex. So is it now clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse
Yeah.
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I just wanted to clarify. We multiplied, we got the parabola equation. We found the parabola equation just to know the maximum point of the vertex.
Yes.
So that we'll put in the respective equations y1 and y2.
Yes.
And then we'll get the answer.
Yes.
But
Okay.
how can
So
you
the parabola
correlate
will be
this?
something like that.
But
You can relate this. The parabola will be something like that.
Okay, ma'am.
but I want to know how we correlate this parabolic function, that 2.5.
Because see, here we have already given that t equals to a y1 y2, right? And we found the equation of this two line y1 y2. If we simplify that, you can see clearly this is the equation of a parabola. And for a parabola, since we have a is positive, then minus a will be negative, right? So if this is, we can take it as a dash. So if a dash is negative, the parabola will be downward, something like that. If we have a parabola in the something like that, a downward direction, then the vertex is the maximum point, right? So for the function b, the vertex b is the maximum point. And here we have to find the value of y and y1 and y2 at the point v. So since we're finding the value of y1 and y2, we only need the value of x. That's why we got the value of x coordinate of the vertex as 2.5. Then we can put the value and both the equation y and y2. Then we can calculate whatever is the answer.
Okay, now actually the answer is 7/2, 7/2. So on the graph, the point of intersection is 7/2, 7/2.
Yes.
But that is also the vertex of the parabola, which is 2.5.
Yes. And this is the maximum point. Is it clear now?
Ma'am, this x-axis and the vertex x 7.2, how did we get actually? Where did we substitute? We got, x 1 equal to 2.5.
If we have equation of a parabola, then we can calculate the value of the vertex, right? First, we can calculate value of x. The equation was b by 2a minus b by 2a. And if we put the value of x in the equation, we can find the value of y. But here we don't need the value of y, because here we only need the value of y1 and y2.
Okay, so for that, where did we substitute, this 2.5, madam? So that we got, 7/2.
In these two equations, y1 and y2. You need to find the value of y1 and y2, right? So y1 equals to x1 minus x1 plus 6 we already have, and x1 equals to 2.5 have. So if we just put the value of x1 here, you can get the value of y1. It will be 3.5. Okay. Similarly, for y2, you will get the value will be 3.5. Okay.
Yep, got it, ma'am.
So this was the answer. I think you don't have any problem.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think I covered almost all of the doubts. If there is something else, please let me know. Is there
Ma'am,
any
I've
doubt?
sent one question number 18 in the chat.
Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, I got it. Okay, so we have f1 x equals to minus x2 minus 6x, f2 x equals to x squared plus 6x plus 10. Domain of f is beta. Have given that f of alpha. Okay. So we have these two conditions, right? F1 of alpha equals to F2 of alpha and F1 of beta equals to F2 of beta. So we need to choose the correct domain of F. That means we just need to find the value of alpha and beta. This is our motto, right? Find the value of alpha and beta. Right? This is our
Yes,
motto.
ma'am.
So from these two conditions, if we just put f1 of alpha, we get alpha squared minus 6 alpha, that is equals to f2 of alpha. That means alpha square plus 6 alpha plus 10. Also from this equation, we will get minus beta square minus 6 beta equals to beta square plus 6 beta plus 10, right? So both the equations are same. So we can consider the equation as minus x square minus 6x equals to x square plus 6x plus 10. And if we simplify this equation and just solve and find the root, then we will get two roots, right? This equation will provide
Yes,
two
ma'am.
roots, right? So if we solve this equation, we will get the value of alpha and beta. Just you have to solve the equation, nothing else. Just simplify this equation and solve it.
Okay,
So
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
let's do it together and find the what is the value. Okay, it will be 2x squared plus 12x plus 10 equals to 0. If we simplified it again, then it will be x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. We can take it as x plus 1, x plus 5 equals to 0, right? So from here
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will get
Minus 1 and minus 5 are coming.
yeah. So minus 5 is less than minus 1. So obviously the interval will be minus 1, minus 5, minus 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Any doubt?
Thank you, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am, I sent you
So,
a few
ma'am, this is
questions.
the, ma'am, here, this minus 5 and minus 1 is the
value of
range.
the, yeah, yes.
Okay, but in the options, they've given domain also.
No, this is, see, alpha, beta, let me check it again. Question number 18, right? See, alpha, beta is domain of F. This is not range, this is domain. We have alpha beta is domain of F. We got the value of alpha beta. So the domain will be minus 5, minus 1. The fourth option will be correct. Okay. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I sent you a direct message.
Okay. I think you can like take a screenshot and put it in the group because it will be difficult for me to read something like that. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I'll send it to everyone.
Yeah. So what is the question number 5? I can see many questions here. So let's start with the question number 12. So there is one question that f1 goes to question number 5. So A was, this is our A, like x, y, such that this satisfies. And B is x is 2x, where is 2x is the reflection of f1. I think it will be similar problem with respect to x-axis. So we have the equation y equals to x square minus x minus 42. From here, we have the vertex will be minus b, means minus 1 by 2a. That means 1 by 2. And if we put the value, then we will get y1 will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 42. This is 1 minus 2 minus 40, 24. Can you simplify it and tell me what is the answer of y1? Please calculate the value of y1. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 169 by 4.
Minus 160. So we got our vertex as half and minus. So we can draw parabola, something like that. Again, it will be same as the problem we already solved earlier. So, and we are taking the reflection of sorry. We're taking the reflection with respect to the x-axis. So it will be f2 will be some, this is our f1, and the f2 will be again some this card.
Ma'am, I've got the vertex to be different. I didn't get half and 169 by 4.
Okay, so what is the value?
See, I got it to be as minus 42. Y to be minus 42.
Okay, let me calculate this.
This is a PA assignment 5, right? 5.
This is minus
First,
169.
what I did was, for that equation, I found the roots, ma'am. Roots will be, x will be 7 and minus 6.
X will be 7 and minus
6. So both the reflection and the normal thing will intersect at 7 and minus 6.
Yes. So this is our root. But the vertex is correct, right? This is the vertex, right?
I actually did it in another way. I just drew the curve using giving the input x0, x minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that I found.
Okay, you just found the root. x-axis.
But with this itself, we can.
Yeah. Like if we put y equals to 0, see, here you found the root, right? That means indirectly you put as y equals to 0 and you solve the equation x square minus x minus 42 equals to 0 and then you found the root as 7 and minus 6, right?
Yes, yes.
But here you took the y coordinate of the of the vertex as 0, but this may not be 0, right? This may not be 0.
Okay.
Maybe something like
Ma'am,
that.
like I'll tell you what I did so far in this question. So basically, they are asking us how many points of intersection. So once we draw both of the graphs and then we consider A to be
Yes.
one graph, B to be the image, and C to be all the axes. They ask D to be A intersection of B. So there will be only 2 points, which are
Yeah.
common to both the original one and the image. And then they said union with A intersection C. So basically, one graph will intersect the axes at 3 points. Both are
Yeah.
the roots, and one is the y-intercept. And similarly, even the image will have 3 points. Both are the roots, and one will be the y-intercept. So
Yeah.
totally, it should be 3 plus 3 plus 2, which is
Yeah.
8.
Yeah.
But over here, the answer was given as 4. So that was my doubt.
Okay, the answer is given as 4.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is C here? A is the points from the curve A, and B is just points of the curve F2, right?
Yes,
B.
ma'am, the image of
This
it.
is
And
B.
C is all the
Yeah.
axes.
C is a settable point on the. Okay. Okay, that means C is let me use some different color. That means this is our C.
So, ma'am, should C not be the x-axis and the y-axis?
Yeah, they said that the C is the set of all point on the axes. That means x-axis and y-axis. So
Okay,
this is
ma'am. So
our
that
C.
we won't refer to the axis of the parabola.
See, here we are using the coordinate system x and y, right? So this is the this is our x-axis, and this is our y-axis. This is correct, but this one is not axis. This one is axis of symmetry. Okay, that
Okay,
means
ma'am.
with respect to this line, this respect to this yellow line, this side of this parabola and this side of the parabola, they will be same. If we just fold the parabola with respect to this axis, it will be same. Okay, that is why this y1, this is the axis of symmetry, and this is this y-axis and x-axis is our axis. So this is our C. That means if we take the intersection A intersection C, this is our A, right? So A intersection C is just -6 and -7 and yeah,
Y-intercept.
and this point.
Yes, ma'am. So 3 points.
Yeah, it's a 3 point. And if we take B intersection C, so it will be this point, this point, this point. It's 4 points, right?
Yes, ma'am. So 3 points
Am I
again.
correct? Yeah. And if we take A
It should be,
intersection, it will be 2
ma'am,
points.
for B intersection C, it should be only 3 points.
Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry. This point will not be there. Yeah.
Yes,
Sorry.
ma'am.
Yeah. So it will be Yeah, so we have 8 points.
Yeah, ma'am. So my doubt was, should we consider the common points to be 1 point and then reduce 8 to 4?
Yes,
Okay,
you have to do like that
right,
only.
right,
They
right.
have
Yeah.
given the
So basically,
union they have given.
yeah. Basically, if in the set A, this is C, this is A. So the common points are when this point 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, this 4 points. This will be.
Ma'am, can you once again tell what if 4 points are except the roots?
See, we can also you have you already know the formula from set theory, right? So if we just consider the cardinality of A intersection B intersection C, it will be 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So from the graph you can see it like this 2 point -6 and 7. This 2 point is common in A intersection B. These 2 points -6 and 7. These 2 points in A intersection B. These 2 points in B intersection C also they are in A intersection B, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we take the if we simply plus them 3 plus 3 plus 2, then we are counting this point 3 times, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are counting this point 3 times. So we just want this point 1 time. So we will just minus 2 into 2. So it will be 4. Okay.
Ma'am, why is it 2 into 2?
Because we have 2 points and we are counting this point 3 times.
Okay.
So we are just taking 1 point, like 1 time counting. So extra 2 times. So extra 4 cardinality will be there if we count this extra 2 times. So we will be just subtracting this from the total cardinality. It will be 4.
Okay, ma'am. Got it. Ma'am, and even question 11 that I sent you.
Okay. Let me check it. These questions are from practice assignments.
Yes, ma'am. Practice assignment question 11.
Okay. So what I suggest, there are so many questions. I might not get that much time to cover all of them. So you just choose, like if you have doubt with the concept and all, you can ask me right now. Otherwise, there will be TA sessions for the practice assignment set. So you will get the solution there also.
Yes, ma'am. So, can you just help me with the formation of equation in just question level 11?
Question 11, right?
Yes, just the formation of equation and the rest I'll do it, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check. So we have Raghav, bread, 1,000 packet of bread. And the profit is so suppose the cost price, C be the cost price, okay? This is- that is cheap. plus this the cost price. If we increase it by X per packet, he can increase the selling price by 2x per packet. So this we have when the cost was C, selling price was this. Okay.
Is that cost for one or for 2000 packets?
No, they have said that the bread for rupees each day. That means the total price is each day, and they sell this much like 2000 packets. So for 2000 packets, our selling price is this. So we can find for one packet it will be this 10, right?
Yes.
So the selling price is basically 10 per packet. And if we consider the cost as C, so for per packet, if we consider per packet, then the cost is C and the selling price is 2. If we increase the cost by X, then the selling price will be increased by 2x per packet. That means X plus 10 plus 2x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
However, when the price increases happen, he loses this. This. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
When the price increases, then
Ma'am,
yes.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, you can ask.
Ma'am, I have
With this
posted in a chat,
question,
ma'am.
okay, then we will solve it later. First, let us solve this question. One by one, we can tackle, right? So, however, when the price increases, so first, suppose we have the cost, we have the selling price, we have the profit, we have the customers. So when the cost was C, the selling price was 10. Then the profit we will take later, and the number of customers. Suppose it was like let's assume it as B. So if we increase it by X, then it will be 10 plus 2X, and then it will be B minus X. Right? We can get this one. So for the maximum profit, the cost price. So first of all, we have this profit per day. For per day, we have this. This is our selling price. We want to get the value of B, right? So what we can do, the number of customers into the number of selling price. The number of selling price, it will be the total income. It will be total income. Total income is
And the selling price is 10 for per customer, for per
What?
packet. It will be 10 for per packet now. So why did you multiply with 20,000 for the customers?
Because we have per day 20,000 is the selling price, right? We want to find the value of number of customers. So if we just multiply the number of customers, uh, uh, okay, just wait.
And ma'am, even that profit, you wrote it as 4,000, but that was for 2,000 packets. So for each one, it was just 2
No,
rupees.
this is per day. This is per day.
Okay.
Profit is per day. What are the options? Let me first check the options. What they want to maximum profit per day. Okay, for the maximum profit per day, we want the maximum profit per day. Okay.
So ma'am, we should write an equation where profit is equal to y and y is equal to f of x.
Yes. Yeah. And we will found what my intuition is. We have to write equation for the profit, and we will found a parabola, and then we need to find the highest point of the parabola.
Yes, ma'am. So how should we find that equation of parabola?
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking about. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me think about it. So suppose if this is the value, like y equals to some ax squared plus bx plus c. This will be the equation of the profit, where we're taking y as profit, right? So here we just need to find the value of a, b, and c. So if we have we can take x as the this per packet. So So, if we take x as number of trades, we're spending that much. This is our total income minus G. This will be Okay. C will be so this is our cost. We already have X, right? So we found the value of C equals to 1,6. So if we like cost this is then sorry. No, this is not the correct one. C is the cost per packet. So for 20 packet, the cost will be C into 2000, right? Then the profit is basically the this minus C will be the profit. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. From here we can find the value of C. So the value of C is 8. That we get. Now the cost per packet is 8 and this is 8 and we're selling it this. So am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Right now? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So what was our question? You can also share your idea if you have some idea. I'm also thinking about it. So we got the value of C. We got the cost price, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
only profit is
So, ma'am, if we have to find an equation in terms of profit, then that should be the selling price minus cost price into number of customers. For that, we have to know what the value of B is because we can't have three variables that we are dealing with.
yeah. We have to find the value of B, right? So if we can find the value of B, then we will.
So for that, ma'am, if we assume one packet is sold to one customer, then we will directly be 2000. But I don't know if that assumption is
No. We can't assume it like that.
Yes, ma'am.
We sold 2000 packets. 2000 packets for B customers. Okay. Am I audible? Some problem is happening. I think I don't know what is going on. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if we just simplify this, then sorry. Then plus 2. After simplifying, what are we getting? Can you say me? What is the equation after simplifying?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 200x square.
Yes.
Minus 400x plus xb
400 plus
plus 2b.
So this is the equation. Now, if we get the value of B, then we will be like. So we have to find the value of B. That means the number of customers. So we can follow the same thing for this case also, right? Like we have our profit as 400. We have our selling price. We have our cost. That means 2, and we have our number of customers B. From here we can get the value of B, right?
Yes, ma'am. Over here, B is 2000, which is the same result as we assumed that one packet is for one customer.
So it will be. This is the only way. If we take as B as 2000. So what what is the simplified version of it? Minus 1000x square minus 2000x plus, right? So, can you share the question again in the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. 1 minute.
So, yeah, you can take the equation like that. Then you just try to solve, like verify the options and let me know what is happening. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. If still there is any problem with this question, then we can also discuss it in the next class. Meanwhile, I will also think about the question again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I think this is enough for today. So if you have more doubt, we can clear it in the next session. So I think this is fine for this session. To this. So you may leave right now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Ma'am, actually, there was a question. You have already solved it. It was related to two straight lines, and the relation was given by d is equal to a y1 and a y1 y2. Hello.
Yes. Can you share this question?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
I'm
actually, you have
listening.
already solved it. I just missed it. Can you just briefly tell me what exactly in that question we are trying to look out for?
Okay. So,
ma'am, if it's possible, or else, and next time you can always tell me that.
yeah. Next time we can discuss about it also.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if we do it the way we did it, then we are not getting the correct answer, ma'am. If we do it the way that we did it, the maximum profit per day, the cost price would be 4, but in the answer it is given as 12.
Okay. So I will also think again about the problem. Then probably by the in the next session we can discuss about this again. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. But you can do whatever problem you have, and we cannot solve in this session. You can collect it, and we can again discuss this about in the next session. Okay.
Yes.
Because today is already 11:33. So
Hello,
I
ma'am.
think it's too long.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I asked that one. I have posted in a chat, ma'am.
But I was saying we can discuss more questions in the next session. Is it okay for you? Because this session is already like too long.
Ma'am, can you complete that only one question, ma'am?
Okay. You just put it in the chat box. Let me see.
Yes, for 5th question.
I can't see it. You can you put it again?
One second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
For this question posted on 11:29 by Revati, ma'am, I wanted to say something.
Yeah. Can you post it again because I am not able to see it.
Okay, ma'am.
I have posted it only.
Okay. Let's come one by one. Yeah. Yeah. This problem. Yeah. Stay.
The cost price one question.
Okay. Huh. What is
For
the
this
problem?
we can, ma'am, it is posted, ma'am, the cost price problem.
Yeah. I can see it.
I have
I
posted
can
it
see
on
it.
the
Yes.
fourth one.
Okay. Let take me one by one. So what is your problem with the 11th question, cost price?
Ma'am, I
Revati,
wanted,
I'm sorry. Yeah.
yes, ma'am, I wanted to tell the solution.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, so first we can initially find the cost price that will be 10 rupees. And then we'll add X. And for the selling price, ma'am, that can be find out like it is 8 plus 2X. Ma'am, like cost price is 8 will be 8 plus X and the selling price will be 10 plus
10
2X.
plus 2x. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. And
Yes.
then, ma'am, he will lose 200X of his customers. So for that, we will multiply it again. Like the profit will be SP minus CP, and then we will multiply this 200X. And then for the maximum profit, we can use that derivative is equal to 0. Then we can find then the first part will come. The maximum profit will be 12 rupees 12 per packet. That will we will find the value of X. That's how.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, that's what I wanted to say.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine.
Yes, ma'am, I'll try it using that method then.
So, is the answer same for both of you?
Ma'am, but I didn't understand why we are multiplying it with 200x.
Because 10 plus X will be for one person, like for one unit. So we'll multiply it by 200x because that is the amount of customer he loses. Like initially he has 2000 customers. Then after increasing the value, he will lose 200x customers. So we will multiply the number of customers with the price of 1 unit or profit on 1 unit.
Yeah, ma'am, but after he loses customers, the number of customers present should be 2000 minus 200x.
Yes.
Yeah, so we shouldn't be multiplying it with 200x directly.
Okay. Okay, let me just think about the question. Probably by the next session we will discuss. Okay, about with this question. Yeah. Let me just think about this question.
I have asked you a question, ma'am.
Yeah. Which one?
Oh, fourth one, ma'am. Football question.
Okay. So the fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what's the problem? It will be again same approach. You can approach the problem as same. I think we have during our session we solved that question path of the ball, right? It will be same kind of question. I think you can try it by yourself.
I tried, ma'am, but I didn't got the answer.
Okay. Let us then solve it. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Is a question. So this is ground and the ball has been clipped from here. And then a part of the football. So this is the part of the football, right? Which is given by this equation. Minus 1 by 125 x squared plus 4. Import and measure and set. Chance and fix the table. Function which is okay. So this is our question. Now, since this number is negative, it will be the parabola will be downward, right? So the second part is saying that another player jump and takes a header when the slope of the function hx. Okay, so we know if slope of the function is 0.64 at some point p, right? So if we have this case, we have the function, we have the slope at some point p, then we can find the value of p here, right? You already solved some problem with this concept. So you can find the value of p. So
Okay.
here we have $20. So the slope is 2ax plus b equals to minus, suppose this is equals to xy. This will be minus 0.64. So her a is this minus 2 by 125x plus 0 equals to minus 0.64. From here, we can find the value of x. What is it? Can you calculate this?
Ma'am,
And
how
let me
ma'am you
know.
got 2ax, ma'am? 2ax.
This is the formula for slope, no?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
And this is equals to this at the point P. Now we want to find the point P, so we can do this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So from here you can you say what is the value of x? Just simplify, just calculate this. What will be the value? From here, calculate this one. 64 into 125 by 2 into 100.
Ma'am, 4.
4, right? So from here we can find the value of y. So y equals to minus 1 by 125 into 4 squared plus 20. What is the value of y then?
Ma'am, I think X is 40.
What is the value of y? Am I audible?
No, is it 40? Ma'am?
What? 40.
40.
14 or 40? 14. 1 4.
And the value of X should be 40 and not 4.
It's 40. So the value of y?
And then y will be 36 upon 5.
This is 36. We have the point P. And what will be the vertex? What will be the vertex? I'm giving you the hint. You can solve it in that way. Just find the vertex, and we have the point P, right? So from here, you just like read the question properly and read the second case. The another player jumps and takes a header, and then you can verify the options. You will get the answer. If you're not getting the answer, then we will discuss in the next session. It's already too late, so I think we can
Two options got
the class.
The answer is maximum height reaches by player's head to take the header is 7.2 feet, and the maximum height achieved by the ball is 20 feet. Ma'am. Two answers are correct. Ma'am.
Okay. What I suggest, you just collect those problems. We will discuss it in the next session. Okay. I can't extend the class more.
Ma'am, if you find P, what should be the next step, ma'am?
Then you just read the question properly and just verify the options. Nothing more than that.
First and second options same correct.
You will find a second curve with the.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will find a second curve with the initial point as P. Then we can conclude something about that. What I suggest, we will discuss this in the next session, okay? Because today is already it's too late.
So okay.
Yeah, we will solve all of your doubt. but not in today's session. It's already too late. So in the next session, I will definitely clear all of your doubts.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
can leave. Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.